pull this down. Okay? And by the time he sees us, you shout, "Happy birthday!" Okay. But get balloons and wave your balloons and your hands. Okay, it's your hands, okay? And then we all sing very, very happy birthday.
You may
And then after you get one, so when I quiet mouse, okay. I'm gonna get Eric, Daddy Fred, and Mark to pull down the blanket. And then we shout, "Happy birthday!" And Ate Arnie will pop the poppers. Okay. And then we will sing happy birthday.
Video.
Wave your balloons. Practice. Here. And then for myself.
One me, one.
Tayo. Abi.
The kids should be in front. All kids in front. All kids.
You want to hold the balloon?
I'm taking a video.
Okay.
Alright.
Camera, also ready? Music,
Okay.
Thank you for coming.
Bakit yung balon na yun? Ganda, no? Dapat next time na birthday natin. Happy Hindi, mamaya sa cake na lang.
Thank you for coming. Thank you.
Pleasure.
I'm so surprised.
Yes,
Take a video.
Kasi counterclockwise pa ganun. Ayun, pala na nila. Happy birthday, I swear.
I'm very surprised. Thank you so much. This is so memorable. It's all. Pray tayo, brother.
Okay,
Let's pray, brother.
Mas kailan What's your team?
My team.
A or B?
B?
We're gonna do
UTMB.
apple.
It's fine, baby, it's fine.
And then here are important to Eric. Okay. Example, like his favorite food, favorite things, favorite personality, TV personality. Okay. So lahat ito kailangan natin. We all know everything inside. Okay. So Team A choose one representative and Team B choose one representative who will draw and you will. I have really good prizes. Okay, the drawing.
Hindi ako magaling.
Your team
Siya ang magaling siya mag-drawing.
Ako rin daw
Design.
Ikaw! Your team leaders are here to help you. Let's say it's a Filipino word. She will help you. Okay? Kayo. And the team will guess. Where's your team? Oh, hey! Hey! Team A! Ito kayo, Malu! Kayo mag-guess. Hindi na ako kasali. Ate, sandali, huhulaan ko lang to! Hindi na lang. Dito kayo mag-guess ko medyo.
Bubula lang, bubula.
Ako yan, join ka. Heidi, have to think. And then, don't show it to them. Kaya eh. Hindi namin ito. My colleagues, I don't think. Okay, ready? You have 1 minute. Go! That? English Tagalog! Tagalog! Actors, ha? Hindi, babae. Galing niyo, ano? Baby? Erika! Eric's favorite person. Baby Erika. Baby guys, but you can't put a word, okay? Next time. Okay. So Team B, who's your... Team B, try, coach. Give a coach. Don't show anything. Where's your team? B. Not too close. Wait lang. Alam mo yan, ha?
Sino mag-uuna?
Si ano po? Si Grace. Si Grace. So, this is... Lahat naman tayo pwede. Eric's favorite thing.
Alam mo. Ikaw alam mo. Gadget yan, iPad.
Laptop.
Nahulaan talaga agad.
Babawi tayo later. Lahat ako maghatid. Wala, ikaw maghula. Team A,
Eric's favorite city in the Philippines.
Wow, busy pare.
Baguio? Baguio City! They know, yeah. Okay. You know?
May
Okay, Eric's favorite athlete.
Oh my God,
Athlete.
Oh my God, basketball song.
Manny
Pacquiao! Talo-talo na to. Pwede po ito nakahina naman.
Okay.
Dati to.
Okay. One of Eric's favorite things. Again. Things. Favorite things. Okay, go.
Yung pag
limit,
Very good. Very good.
Oh my God, ito na. Ayun. Patay na tayo pag actor na. Ang galing niya nga, eh, no?
Sino na? Score na ako. Okay. Then, we have Heidi. Ikaw? Heidi. Okay. Hello. Heidi. Team A. You know this? Bilib na ako. Keep trying.
Give it a try. Give it a try.
Yeah, they're intelligent people. Hindi ko makita yung rolling. Oh! Very good.
Pizza?
Spaghetti?
Ano yan? Hamburger? Fried chicken? Spaghetti? Hindi nga daw eh. French fries? May ganyan-ganyan? Ano yan? May ganyan eh. Pizza pie. Ako nito subi. Sabi na na.
Kasi straight na.
Straight.
Dito galing siya.
Dapat no.